In this video, we are showing how to enable docked mode in Windows. We are showing this in a Windows 10 computer that is running on a Windows 10 OS, and you can see normally for opening the some that is you must pressing the Windows key and the plus key simultaneously at the same time will take you to the page of magnifier. So you can open the magnifier by simply pressing this Windows key and plus key simultaneously, and after that you can see here the percentage, that is zoom in or zoom out. That is, if you press the plus minus key, it will be zoom in to 100 percentage, and if you want to zoom out, you can simply press it big like this, 200 percentage, 300 percentage, 400 percentage. You can see that it's becoming big and big, 600, 700. That is a normal thing, we all know. 800, 900, etc. So like the way you can increase up to, I think, 1600 percentage you can increase. Anyway, we can must the topic in this video is not about increasing this. We are discussing about enabling the docked mode. Okay, so for enabling the docked mode in Windows 10, you must go to the this options, that is the setting options in this magnifier itself. Okay, if you did not take this by pressing the Windows key and plus key simultaneously, then you must in this search area at the bottom of your computer screen, this part here, you must type magnifier and like the way you can open the magnifier app. Okay, and after opening here, you must look this one, this settings. So I will increase the percentage from 100 to 200 by clicking this plus button. After that, I select this options like this. The option. Okay, the screen is look like this. So I change it to 100 percentage backs once again. Okay, here you can see change magnifier view option. You must scroll little down, and here you can see choose a view, and here you can see normally it is in a full screen, that is control plus alt plus F is normally seen like this, but we want to change it to the docked mode. For this you must simply scroll this one, and from here you must pick the docked, KED, or you can alternately press the Control key, Alt key, and D key simultaneously to enable the docked. So now the docked mode have been added. So this is the docked mode. Is whatever you seen in the screen, there is a copy of something is moving like this. You can see this is the docked. Okay, I will show you the difference. Suppose we are going to take a website. Okay, now I take a website engineerswellonline.com, and I can see from here, you can see what I can see here. These are the things I see in the web page. You can see from here the engineering students corner to the last part, civil engineering, or you can see up to here the bottom of my screen. These are the things I can see, and without changing this, I want to read something. So you can see the docked mode is moving above like this. The same content in this part of the screen, what we can see in the screen, these parts have been moving here like this. If you change our mouse, you can see that this is moving. So this is the docked mode. So whatever we see in these parts, this much part of the screen, we can see in this portion of the screen, that is the docked mode. So this is the way to enable the docked mode. And if we want to increase the size, then you can see simply, if suppose we press here to 200 percentage like this, then you can see that the dog appearance will also become very big like this. And suppose you want to close this dog mode, do one thing is you must simply close this magnifier view. You must simply close like this, and now back to normal screen. So this video helps you to understand how to enable docked mode in Windows 10. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers Well Online. Thank you.